Nasdaq ended continued the bull run and achieved record highs again, close to 19,000 precisely at 18,960 levels, and has closed the week with a little drop at 18,800. Can we expect this bull run to continue, or is it going to drop from here? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading Nasdaq in the coming week? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. And yes, I this is the weekly review. I share my twice a day updates for Nasdaq 100. First with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US, and both the updates give you a fair idea on how to trade, how to profit trading Nasdaq 100 every day. So subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment to get the notifications. And yes, join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start in this update. First, we look into charts and indicators. Towards the end, I will be giving you trading levels and strategy watch. Now, look at the 4-hour chart. See, if you draw 4-hour charts, if you draw a trend line here, you will find it has achieved higher highs here. At the same time, it is also delivering higher lows here. So, it is trading in this bullish channel. And what has happened in the last couple of trading sessions, it has hit the 50 period retrace, but I do see this as a bearish channel formation or a nice flag formation here. Remember, the support levels here towards 18,500 and 400 are very strong. Any bearishness in tech 100 is only below 18,400 levels. Now look at the last couple of candles here, consolidated its position and it is closed at top. And thus, if you see it is staying below 18,780 and 700 levels in the coming week, we can expect it to drop further. We can look forward to 18,500 levels very soon. Stochastic rising, the MACD is again trying to converge crossover for a rise. And see, if you look at the rise, look at the formation rise, retracement, and it is looking upward. So possibly, as long as 18,600 is not taken in the coming week, we should not be treating Nasdaq 100 as bearish. Stochastic rising coming to the daily. Now look at daily charts. See swings here, lower highs, and this time the candle has closed above the median levels. Now the median is always very important. It suggests that there is still bullish bias. And look at these four candles. None of the candles have closed above 18,600 levels, which makes it a very strong support. Also, I have shown you something like this, which is a nice flag formation here on the daily charts. And if it continues its bullish move in the coming week, staying above 850 levels, 18,860 levels, you can say we will look forward to 18,900, and then the critical level at 19,000 levels will get achieved. See, my only worry point here is the divergence of the price from the 20 period moving average, which is sitting at around 18,400 levels. Thus, a possibility of a retracement exists, but right now it is not showing any such sign. Stochastic has dropped from the overbought zone. Look at the MACD here, the rise retracement, it has again retraced towards the top here and it is almost at the highs here. It is staying in the box. Let's see if it shows a crossover here. Right now it is still bullish. It is not willing to cross over. RSI near to overbought zone. Coming to the week. Now look at the weekly charts. Rise, retracement. Again a round of rise here. And it appears that it is just one leg of the rise and there is further more to come. But I do see that 5 straight bullish weeks here. And also look at the body size here. The body size has got diminished. This suggests that the prices are not willing to stay bullish. That is one part to it, as the bullishness is getting diminished. But at the same time, right now the bears are not very much interested in for taking Nasdaq funded further down. So only bearishness in the coming week is below 18,600, 500 zone. Once it draws below this, then we can look forward to a further drop. And then also these levels here are going to play a major role here towards 18,350. And once it draws below 18,350 is where further drop can be seen. Why it could drop? See what has happened here. The divergence of the price from the 20 period moving average. Right now the divergence is too, but look at the rise here. It has just started. The rally has just started 5 weeks back, coming off from the 17,000. So I see that the bullishness is going to get diminished. There is one part to it, but I do not see that it is going to confirm a reversal very soon. Possibly 17,400, 350 levels, even if it tries to drop, are going to play a major role. And breaking 17,400, 350 is the zone where you can confirm now Tech 100 is reversing and it is turning bearish. Stochastic on the weekly charts here is overbought. Look at the MACD. See the MACD here is a worry point. Look at the rise, retracement, double top. After double top, what has happened? It was trading with divergence. It has converged. See, despite 6 bullish candle, it has not yet crossed over. This is very important because see, it is still bearish. It has converged here and now a bearish candle from here, which means it will continue to move on the downside. It is not yet crossed over. Also, it is coming up from an extremely higher level. Thus, there is a possibility of a continuation of this journey on the downside. RSI is showing a rise. This is sign of bullishness. Coming to monthly. Now, on the monthly charts, the candle is still bullish. It is still green and it is trading in this bullish channel. The highs are far above, about 20,000. The medians are at about 19,000. And right now, I see possibly it may try to close. If it closes the month somewhere here, that is, the coming week shows a bearishness. Prices retraces from the current level. It closes the week at around 18,350, 400 levels. Then we can say now the bears are active. And in the coming month, because see, once it closes below this zone at 18,300 levels, we can say that the coming month is going to probably take a direction on the downside. Why it could trade with a drop? Look at the divergence of the price from the 20 period moving average. Too much of divergence calls for it to converge, possibly, and thus we can look forward to a retracement if and only if Nasdaq 100 close the week on a bearish note towards 18,350 400 zone. Mark out these levels. Below this, in the month of June, also we can expect slight bearishness to begin the month with. See, on the monthly charts, stochastic is extremely overbought. It must try to cool down. But if you look at MACD, it is crossed over here. It is trading with divergence. It is still bullish. It is looking upwards, showing no signs of a reversal, while the RSI is showing a rise. So looking at this, now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy for the coming week so that you can all trade profitably and comfortably. Before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 31st mentorship batch starting 10th of June. And in this mentorship batch, I am going to share all the tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setups with the help of which you can identify the profitable trades and you can trade profitably. Do not miss to join this batch. Else, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can benefit. So, write an email or ping me on Telegram for any of your queries related to the services. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker with global presence, which offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, first, let's talk about the levels to see 18,840, 18,850 is the zone where I will recommend you to buy Nasdaq in the coming week. Very, very critical. Beyond this, I will look forward to 18,910, 18,950, 960 zone. This is the next resistance zone here. And once it stays above this, just stay bullish. We will look forward to 19,018. And see, the chances of this happening is very, very less. 19,120 and then 19,180. Beyond this, sky is the limit. It can continue to rally towards 19,300, 400. Chances for which appears to be less. I do not see this happening in the coming week. I do not see this happening. And possibly the bears might try to activate here. But before that, it can try to achieve the highs. It can in fact breach 19,000 before looking forward to a fall. This is one thing you should remember here. On the downside, where you should sell, I will recommend you to sell here at 18,760 levels and expect it to move towards 18,700. Very, very important. 18,700, 18,680 levels. Very important zone here. Once it drops below this, you can look forward to see 18,640 very nearby and 18,600. Look on the downside, the support levels are very, very nearby and it has to break below these levels. In fact, 18,550 and then 18,500. The next very strong support levels till 18,500. Below this, there will be aggressive bearishness. 18,350, 18,200 are the next target. And even if it closes the month at or closes the week at 18,300, 200, it can continue to drop in the next to next week and the beginning of the coming month, where prices might try to move towards 18,000 levels as well. Possibility is there that the bears might try to take over if it closes the week and the month below 18,300, 400 zone. So yes, you need to trade with caution. Right now, there are no signs of a reversal, but I do think that the pullback should be not be much far away from the current levels, and this is almost at the top here. The pullback has to be there very, very soon. You have to be trading with caution on the upside specifically, and I think in my personal opinion, this should be the level from which we can initiate a positional short position. So take your positions accordingly. This is just a recommendation. Even if you're taking a short position, you have to trade with the stop loss at your entry price, such that in case it bounces back, your trade closes without any loss. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Stick to the levels. Do not go with the bias. And yes, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Join the channel membership channel on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.